Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your work properly, okay? Today our subject is grammar. Lesson number 4, I or you, okay? Today we will do worksheet. Understood? We are going to do worksheets and we will revise also one or I or you. Understood? So, you all have learned the lesson 4, I and you, how to use I, how to use you in the sentences. Okay? So, now see, revision. Learning points here. See, learning points. Revise. We will do revision. Then we will do worksheet. Okay? We will do worksheet also here. Then we will do. Okay? Now see here. Underline the pronoun. What we have to do here? Underline the pronoun. Okay? Pronoun is a word which take the place of naming words. Understood? You have to see the picture. Now see here. He and she. See, there is a slash here. He or she is kicking the ball. See, now see, girl is kicking the ball. Who is kicking? Girl. So she is kicking the ball. She is kicking the ball. She is kicking, means the girl is kicking. So what will come? He or she. So she is kicking the ball. So I have underlined she. Okay. Now see, there is a boy. He is wearing a hat. Okay. There is only one boy. This is my or their hat. See, what you have to use? My. This is my hat. See, he is wearing the hat, no? So he is telling that it is his hat. He is having hat. This is my hat. So, use of my. Okay? See now next. It or they are dancing. See, they. Can you see the picture here? They are dancing. See, they both are dancing here in this picture. Okay, so we will use they. We cannot use it. Okay, so they are dancing means two people are there. Two persons are there. So they are dancing. So what will come? They. T-H-E-Y. They. They are dancing. Understood? Now see. You or it is a blue bag. So you is a blue. See, can you see the blue bag? You is a blue bag. No, this is a thing. So we will use it. It is a blue bag. Understood this? It is a blue bag. The bag is blue. It is a blue bag. Okay. So, underline it. Okay. Now, next one. See, he or she is standing up. See here. Can you see it is he or she? Yes, it is a boy. So, when we talk about a boy or a man, we use he. So, he is standing up. Understood? He is standing up. Now, see last one. I and it is eating grass. See, here there is a cow. Picture of a cow. And the cow is eating grass. Cow is an animal. So what will you use? It. Yes, you all know this. It is eating grass. Understood this? It is eating grass. Again we will read this sentence. What you have to do in this sentence is underline the pronoun. He or she is kicking the ball. The picture is of a girl. So when we talk about a girl, we use she. She is kicking the ball. Okay. This is my hat. The boy is picking up. So this is my hat. Now it or they are dancing. See, two people are dancing. So they are dancing. Okay. Now blue bag. So it is not a person. It is a thing. So we will use it. It is a blue bag. Understood? Now see here, there is a boy. He or she is standing up. So what we will use? We will use he for a boy. He is standing up. Understood? Now I or it is eating grass. So what will come? It is eating grass. This is a cow. And cow is eating grass. Yes. So it is an animal. For animal, we use it. It is eating grass. Understood this? See now here. This is the exercise of your textbook. This is your textbook exercise. But here we will do it. Revise. Okay. Fill in the blanks with pronouns from the box. See, these are pronouns. We have already learned it. So here we are doing revision so that you will be able to understand it properly. Okay. See, he, he, we, they, they, it, it, and you, you. There are givens in the box. Here there are blanks. So you have to fill in the blanks using the proper pronouns. Okay. Number 1 is, how old are you? Samir. What we will use? You, because we are asking Samir. We are asking, how old are you, Samir? Understood? Number 2 is there, my parents are at work. See, again read this sentence. My parents are at work. So parents are, yes, mother and father. So what we will use? They. Very good. They will be back in the evening. So what is the sentence? See, my parents are at work. They will be back in the evening. They have gone to work and now they will be back in the evening. Now in the evening they will come. So we will use they. Parents, no, father and mother. So there are two persons. So we will use they. Understood? My parents are at work. They will be back in the evening. Understood? Number 3. Pooja and I are friends. See here, I. Pooja and I are friends. So there are two persons, but I is also included. So we will use we. Okay? We love to play together. We love to play together. I and Pooja means we. Okay, one is speaker and other is talking to other. I is talking to Pooja. So Pooja and I are friends. So I. So we will use we love to play together. Understood? Now number 4. This is Arun. See, this is Arun. He is my new neighbor. We are talking about Arun. So, this is Arun. We are talking about Arun. Arun is a boy. So, we will use he. He is my new neighbor. Okay? Number 5. My name is Tarun. See here. My name is Tarun. So, we will use I. I play the violin. Understood this sentence? See, my name is Tarun. I play the violin. Okay. Number 6. This is a beautiful city. This is a beautiful city. We are talking about city. And city is not a person. City is a place. So what we will use? It. It has clean roads. Okay. This is a beautiful city. It has clean roads. The roads are clean in the city. Understood? Yes. This is your exercise in the textbook. Now see what we are learning. See. Look at the table given below. See, here is a table. I, you, where I and you are used. So, I or you, they are used for a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. We use you for a boy. If a boy is speaking, then he will use I. Girl speaking, he will use I. Man speaking, he will use I. Woman, I. Okay. When they speak with other, we will use you. So I and you is used for a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. Understood this? Now he. See he. He is used for a boy or a man. Where will we use he? When we are talking about a boy. When we talking about a man. So we use he. He is used for a boy or a man. Understood? Yes. Now she. S-H-E, she. Where she is used in the sentence is used for a girl or a woman. We use she for a girl or a woman. Understood? Now it. Where it is used? It is used for animals, birds and non-living things. See, animals, birds and non-living things. Again we will revise this. See, I or you is used for a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. He is used for a boy or a man. She is used for a girl or a woman. It is used for animals, birds and non-living things. Understood this? All when we have to use I, you, he, she, it. Okay? This you have to learn. You have to understand it. Where we have to use I, you, he, she, it. Understood? Okay. Now see here. See this? Match the words with the pronoun. See here the words are given here. And here all the pronouns are given. Okay? So first it is my friends. What is this? My friends. Okay? My friends. See, my friends. So there are many people, many friends. It is not one friend. Friends. Many friends. So what we will use? They. T-H-E-Y. They. My friends means we have to use they. When we talk about friends, we will use they. Okay? The girl. See, there is only one girl. We have learned. Okay? We have learned this. The girl. We have to use she. S-H-E. She. Understood? The girl. We will use she. Okay. Now, a cat. What we will use a cat? Cat is an animal. So, we will use it. I-T, it. A cat. For a cat, we will use it. Understood? Yes. You and I. See here, I have come. We have learned previously this. Okay? We have learned this. Now only I taught you I. When will I come? You and I means what we have to use for you and I both? See, we will use we. W-E, we. You and I, we will use we. Match these pronouns. See, we are matching it. Okay. Then you and Bill. You and Bill. See, we are talking about two persons. The one person who is standing in front of us, and one is not present. Okay. You and Bill. So we will use both of the two persons are there. We will use you. Okay. What we will use? We will use you. Understood? So the boys. The boys. See here again, the boys. Boys. What is this? Boy. There is not one boy. There are many boys. So we will use they. T-H-E-Y. They. Okay. This boy. This boy. There is one boy. So we will use he. H-E. He. Okay. Lisa and her friends. See, Lisa and her friends. So, there are many persons, friends. Okay. Lisa and her friends. So, we will use they. Now, a car. See, this is a thing. A car. It is a vehicle. So, for vehicle, we will use it. Yes. A car. It. Now, Emma. E-double-M-A. Emma. It is a name of a girl. So for a girl, we will use S-H-E, she. For Emma, we will use she. Have you understood this all? See again. Match the words with the pronoun. We have to match it. My friends, they. The girl, she. Okay. A cat, it. You and I, we. You and Bill, you. The boys, they. This boy, one boy, this boy, he. Lisa and her friends, they. A car, will use it. Emma, we will use she. Okay, have you understood this all? Yes, I hope you all have understood how there are words here and how there are pronouns. Okay, see now, where we will use he? Now you all know, I have taught you where we will use he when we talk about a man. When we talk about a man or we talk about a boy. Okay, he is used when we talk about a man or a boy. He is used to talk for man and boy. Okay, understood this, the use of he? Yes. Now she, S-H-E, she. When we use she is for a woman. See, here the woman is a doctor. So we will use she. Or a girl. For a girl also we will use she. For a girl or a woman we use she. She is used for a girl and woman. Understood? Yes. Now it. See, it. We use it for a cat, for a bird, for trees, okay, for a dog and for things. Okay, where we have to use it? When we are not talking about a person. We are talking about animals, birds, trees or non-living things. We will use it. Understood this? Cat, bird, tree and animal, a dog, and for non-living things such as bag. Understood you all? Yes. Now see again we will do exercise. See, with this you have to understand it properly. Okay. Rewrite. See, first you have to read the question. Rewrite these sentences by replacing the underlined words with he, she, it. What we have to do? Rewrite these sentences by replacing the underlined words with he, she, it. Okay. Number 1 is I have a cat. See, read properly. I have a cat. See, underlined word is the cat. Okay, underlined word is the cat. The cat likes to drink milk. See the two sentences, see the pair of sentence. Last lecture we have learned this, no? Pair of sentence. See, the cat is 2 times it has come. I have a cat. The cat likes to drink milk. So what will be the answer? I have a cat. See, first 2 lines are same. First 2 sentences are same in both these pairs. So, the cat, we have used it because it is a name of an animal. So, it is an animal. We have used it. It likes to drink milk. Understood? I have a cat. The cat likes to drink milk. I have a cat. It likes to drink milk. Understood? Number 2. See number 2. Rita can see a duck. Rita can see a duck. Underlined word is the duck. The duck is near the pond. See again, read these 2 pairs of sentence. Rita can see a duck. The duck is near the pond. Okay. So, Rita can see a duck. Rita can see a duck. Instead of the duck, we have used it. It is a bird. Okay, duck. It is near the pond. Where is the duck? It is near the pond. Here in the next 2 sentences, we are not using the duck. Instead, we are using it. Rita can see a duck. It is near the pond. Okay. Now see number 3. Number 3. Mrs. Gupta is my teacher. Mrs. Gupta is my teacher. Mrs. Gupta loves me. See here, 2 times Mrs. Gupta has come. And I have told you that when there is a name of a woman, we have to use she. Okay? So, Mrs. Gupta is my teacher. Mrs. Gupta loves me. Instead, what we have to write? Mrs. Gupta is my teacher. She loves me. She loves me. We are using she. Understood this? See again I will read these 3 lines. I have a cat. The cat likes to drink milk. I have a cat. It likes to drink milk. Okay. Number 2. Rita can see a duck. The duck is near the pond. Rita can see a duck. It is near the pond. Mrs. Gupta is my teacher. Mrs. Gupta loves me. Mrs. Gupta is my teacher. She loves me. Understood these 3 sentences? See now, number 4. Number 4. Ravi is friend of Sonu. Ravi likes to play with Sonu. See 2 times in this 2 pairs are sentence. Ravi comes 2 times. Okay. Ravi is friend of Sonu. He likes to play with Sonu. See instead of Ravi we have used he. Again I am reading. Ravi is friend of Sonu. Ravi likes to play with Sonu. Answer is Ravi is friend of Sonu. He likes to play with Sonu. See, I have used Ravi. We are using he. Understood this? Where we have to use? When we use, where there is a boy. He will use he for a boy. So, Ravi is a boy. So, we will use he. Okay. Now, sentence number 5. Hari is in class 1. See, read these two pairs. Hari is in class 1. Hari is 6 years old. See, 2 times Hari is coming in this pair. Pair of sentences. See, Hari is in class 1. Hari is 6 years old. So, what will be the answer? Hari is in class 1. First sentence will be the same. The change will become in next sentence. Okay, Hari. Instead of Hari, we will use he. He is 6 years old. Okay, Hari is in class 1. Hari is 6 years old. So, Hari is in class 1. He is 6 years old. Understood? Now see number 6. My house is small. My house is small. So, this sentence is this sentence, look here. My house has 4 windows and 2 doors. See, my house is coming 2 times in this pair of sentence, no? So, my house is small. My house has 4 windows and 2 doors. So, what will be the answer? My house is small. Instead of my house, we are using it. It has 4 windows and 2 doors. Understood this? We are not using my house in the next sentence. Instead, we are using it. Okay, again we will do this. Read it. Okay. Ravi is friend of Sonu. Ravi likes to play with Sonu. Ravi is friend of Sonu. He likes to play with Sonu. Hari is in class 1. Okay, Hari is 6 years old. So, Hari is in class 1. He is 6 years old. We are using he instead of Hari. Understood? Yes. Now, last one. My house is small. My house has 4 windows and 2 doors. Okay? So, answer is my house is small. It has 4 windows and 2 doors. Again, see this sentence. My house is small. My house has 4 windows and 2 doors. So, my house is small. It has 4 windows and 2 doors. Understood? Okay. Again, see, we are doing this again, this 6th sentence. My house is small. My house has 4 windows and 2 doors. So, answer will be my house is small. It has 4 windows and 2 doors. Okay? Yes. Now I hope you all have understood this. Okay? See, all this sentence we have done revision. You have to do it in your textbook. You have done, no? So you all have to do revision. Understood? Yes. So, yes, I hope you all have understood this lesson, how to use he, she, it, I and you. Okay? So, read it properly this lesson. Do all this revision again and again so that you will be able to read the sentences and give the proper answers. Okay, I hope you all will do your homework very well with good handwriting. Okay, don't disturb your parents, do it yourself, do your homework with good handwriting. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very very much. You have to do your work properly and good handwriting. Okay, bye bye. Yes.